Life-saving practical and portable solutions. Portable solutions for life-saving emergencies. Call for help. In most countries, the emergency number is 911 or 112. Call for professional help as soon as possible. Cardiac arrest. If someone collapses and is unresponsive, start performing CPR immediately. You can find CPR instructions online or take a CPR certification course to learn how to perform it correctly. Choking. If someone is choking, stand behind them and give 5 firm blows between their shoulder blades with the heel of your hand. If this doesn't work, perform abdominal thrusts by standing in front of the person, making a fist with one hand, placing it just above their belly button, and pulling inward and upward. Bleeding. If someone is bleeding heavily, apply direct pressure to the wound with a clean cloth or piece of clothing. Elevate the limb if possible to reduce blood flow. Burns. If someone has a burn, cool the burn with cool running water for 20 minutes and cover it with a sterile dressing. Poisoning. If someone has ingested poison, call poison control immediately and follow their instructions. Do not try to make the person vomit unless instructed to do so. Remember, in any emergency situation, it's important to remain calm and call for professional help as soon as possible. Compact and convenient, practical life-saving devices. There are several compact and convenient devices that can help in life-saving emergencies. Portable defibrillator, AED, an automated external defibrillator, AED, is a compact device that can be used to deliver an electrical shock to the heart in cases of sudden cardiac arrest. AEDs are designed for ease of use and many models have voice prompts that guide users through the rescue process. CPR masks. A CPR mask is a compact device that can be carried in a first aid kit. It is designed to protect the rescuer from mouth-to-mouth contact when performing CPR. Tourniquets. A tourniquet is a device that can be used to control severe bleeding by compressing an artery. Tourniquets come in various forms, including military-style tourniquets, commercial tourniquets, and emergency band tourniquets. Epinephrine auto-injectors. An epinephrine auto-injector is a compact device that can be used to deliver a dose of epinephrine, adrenaline, in cases of severe allergic reactions, anaphylaxis. Emergency whistles. An emergency whistle is a small and compact device that can be carried in a pocket or on a keychain. It can be used to attract attention in emergency situations. The future of first aid, portable life-saving devices. Smart AEDs. Smart AEDs are automated external defibrillators that are connected to the internet and can provide real-time information and guidance to users. Some smart AEDs can also connect with emergency services and provide them with important information about the patient and their location. Wearable defibrillators. Wearable defibrillators are devices that can be worn like a vest or strap and can automatically deliver an electrical shock to the heart in cases of sudden cardiac arrest. These devices are designed to be easy to use and can provide peace of mind for people at high risk of cardiac arrest. Portable ultrasound machines. Portable ultrasound machines are compact devices that can be used to perform ultrasound scans on patients in emergency situations. This can provide important diagnostic information that can help with treatment decisions. Smart first aid kits. Smart first aid kits are compact and portable devices that are equipped with sensors and connected to the internet. They can provide real-time information and guidance on how to treat various injuries and illnesses, and can also connect with emergency services for additional support. Stay prepared anywhere, anytime with practical and portable life-saving solutions.